Tamil Nadu Chief Minister has written to the Prime Minister again saying the contingency response plan to check disaster is completely unwarranted. Jayalalitha had earlier attempted to allay fears of people over the Mullaperiyar Dam issue. Vikram is joining us from Chennai for more on this. Vikram, clearly as far as the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is concerned, clearly with other political parties in Tamil Nadu trying to up the ante on the issue, she wants to make sure that she's not left behind, and two, consistently putting the pressure on the government, considering perhaps also that the state government in Kerala is that of the Congress party.
Well, indeed, Maruk, you put it very rightly that she does not want to be left behind. The politics in Tamil Nadu at the same time wants to keep up the pressure on the centre. And yet again, she's written a letter to the Prime Minister in which she clearly says that the contingency plan, a team of experts who have come out with a contingency response plan for the Mullaperiyar Dam in the event of any kind of a disaster needs to be withdrawn as soon as possible, because she clearly says that the Supreme Court in 2006 had clearly mentioned in their order that the Mullaperiyar Dam is absolutely safe. And now a Supreme Court empowered committee with their own experts and checks will be coming out with a report in February 2012. And hence, this is a ploy by the Kerala government, she alleges, which wants to create a figment of imagination that the dam is not safe. And she's clearly said that the Prime Minister should withdraw this contingency plan, this team of contingency plan as soon as possible from the NDMA at the earliest. Back to you.
Vikram, stay on with us because there's another interesting development coming in from Tamil Nadu, and on the same issue, Vaiko has been arrested in the Theni district for trying to block vehicles from entering Kerala. So like you were mentioning, all political parties in Tamil Nadu as well as in Kerala, both trying to up the ante, one trying to outdo the other in what is becoming a standoff between the two states that has gone on for far too long.
Well, indeed, Maruk. In fact, despite the unanimous resolution in the Tamil Nadu Assembly and the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's appeal to ask political parties to keep to appeal to not to go to the border, the MDMK chief Vaiko did